Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. Today was a green day for me. I finished up 144 realized, 124 with after commissions. Not sure the percentage, but it's something like little over 2%, I believe. So yeah, let's get to it. I was too slow for Tesla for the most part today. I got like one okay trade on it, but get right to it. So first trade's Tesla on the far left, the yellow level 2. Playing this sort of flag pattern here. A little late on my entry though. I bought a 750 call. Super far out of the money. Yeah, because because I went out of the money. This isn't that far out of the money, and this isn't really moving too much. It's sort of starting to rip, and then it consolidates. If I would have been right at the money or in the money, I could have got an all right move. But at this point, I was like, okay, I need to get out. So I started to throw an order out there, 575, and don't get, or I get filled there at 556. Um, I think I just canceled that order and hit the bid. Pretty sure. Um, Next trades on AMD. I'm gonna take 3 contracts here, which is something I'm just getting used to. And AMD's on the far right. We have this drop. Um, we're 26 minutes into the market open, so we had a sell off, and then we had we almost got to high day, and then we put in a higher low, and now I'm looking for a, a high above this little pivot here where I have the gray line, dash line. And 3 contracts of the 105 calls. So I'm just trying to get practice just sticking to my strategy. Selling, taking these partials on once I get the quick pop. Even though 7 cents per contract for the first part. Um, if I can do this with if I can do this with 3, I can do this with 10. I just got to build up to it. So just going for a strategy here. So I got rid of 2 contracts there, 75 each, and I have one left. See, hopefully I can get more for this last one. And I'm out there. Last one I got rid of at 279. So made 25 bucks on the trade. It's smoker change, but what I wanted to do with that trade is get to get a little bit green, so I have like a clear mindset. So the rest of the trade. So although I do take smoker gains a few other times, but just trying to get a feel for the price action. See if it's easy money today or whether they're gonna play games or what. Next trade's on AMD on the right. Get this pop, pull back, and then I'm playing this candle over candle. A little bit late on my entry, but I bought 2 106 calls there. I'm in at 250 a piece. A lot of red coming through on the tape, but not really dropping too much. See if we can squeeze out any of these shorts that came through. So yeah, like I said, if I can do this with 2 contracts, 3 contracts, make 15 cents a contract or whatever, 5 cents or something like that, then it'll work out when I scale up. Yeah, and if I had above PDT, I would definitely be more aggressive with. I would take more trades whenever I see these setups. I keep my losers small, which is I'm pretty good at, in my opinion. Then and let these little runners quick pops like go. Then um, no, I think it'll be all right. I got rid of one there. I don't know, 65. Then the next one I sell at 5 minutes 15 seconds, 1 cent cheaper, 260. Let's let that play out real quick. 5 more seconds. No, and I was thinking this is gonna go a amount higher, so I saw the last one there. Not this was gonna go higher, but just wanted I wasn't interested in getting all the meat on the bone. I just wanted a little bit of meat on the bone. So next trade's on AMC again or AMD again. Now this is kind of a chase, I believe, but approaching prior day's high, which is that yellow dash line at 107. I'm in one contract there. 107, call it 229. These little smoker gains are starting to add up. A lot of breads are coming through the tape just before the prior day's high, but now we're getting a little pop above it. So once we start getting above it, there, boom, I put an order out on the ask. Almost all the orders I've taken today have been on buy on the ask and sell on the ask. So I'm out of the AMD there. And next trade is on Nvidia. Nvidia is in the middle. It's the middle chart with the blue level 2. We have this sort of flag pattern. We have this horizontal line here above. I'm in one contract there. 190, 750, 268. Was anticipating that break. Didn't get it. That dash line's prior day's high. So immediately I get stuffed, and I'm just thinking, okay, I've seen all the red come through on the table. I'm thinking, yeah, so I'm out there. Um, and yeah, so I took a $24 loss on that minus commission. Tesla. So I kept my losers small, whatever. It's nothing too big. The main thing, just no big red trades. So next trade's on Tesla. Tesla's on the far left here. We have a pop, pull back. Now I'm gonna play candle over candle. I'm in there anticipating that candle over candle. In a 7:30 call for 1320. and it's not really moving much, but I don't have a candle under candle. It's starting to pop here. We're at high days right here. New high day now. Getting some momentum, velocity. The tape flying through, chewing through those prices. I'm about to take profits just to be safe. Throwing an order out on the ash, $14. There I get filled. So it's an $80 win. Like I said before, if I can, when I scale up, then it'll be that'll be a nice little win. But $80, relatively speaking, my account is not bad. So next trade's on SPCE. SPCE is on the far right. We have this ABC pattern, kinda. I mean, the lower, we have a lower low on the few candles ago, but sort of a W pattern here. Yeah. I'm in two 3150 calls for 123 average. And oh, still in this SBC, it's moving up. Approaching pivot here around 3140 ish. Volume's low. Doesn't mean it can't move. Noting that the volume is low. Hoping the buyers step in. I'm out of that. So SPC was a small $8 win minus commissions. And then this Baba trade, I didn't record it, but I got in right below where my mouse is, right there on the far right. So green arrow. So I was playing this sort of pennant or ascending triangle pattern, and we had some key levels above and right around where I got in. So I got in and I was in for 10 minutes, and I sold pretty much near the top. I was only able to gain $25 from that trade. That was just in one contract. But that's where I ended the day due to lack of buying power. Only had $250 in buying power left. By the end of the day there, up 144 minus $100 commission, so 124. I have 41 unrealized, which at the time right now with 10 minutes left in the market is at minus 53, but I don't count that because it's a swing trade I've been holding for weeks, and it expires in September, so that just factor into my results. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Had a few green days in a row right now. I'm happy with that. They've been at least 2 to 4%. That's really good, in my opinion. I'm looking to continue this momentum, this upside momentum, to the rest of the week. Appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoy the content. I hope you find value in it, and I hope you also have a really nice day. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.